Well, good morning. It is the 24th of June, 2020, and we are on our way to a little old lady's house who has a small area of her sidewalk that is broken up, and she called me because she's afraid of tripping over it. I know this lady because I did work on the house across the street, and she asked me for a card about 3 years ago. So we're over here now. We're gonna work on her sidewalk real quick. It isn't gonna take very long. But I want to tell you something. I'm going to stop here before I get to the house. I just want to tell you that, you know, in this business or any business that you're in, and this is what my motto is. Some days you make friends, some days you make money, and on a good day you make both. Now, I'm going to make money later today. I have jobs lined up, but I have a small little amount of time where I don't need to be anywhere. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to patch this concrete for her. And I'm not going to charge her for it. I'm going to give back because the poor lady just needs some help. She's 96 years old. She's somebody's mom, and I'm going to give back. So it's time to give back. So sometimes when you make money, sometimes you don't make any, and you just make friends, and that's okay too. So this is for all the elderly people out there and the people who have elderly parents that are living alone, and maybe you can't get to them for everything because you live in another state or whatever. This is for you. For all the other contractors out there too, it's time to give back a little bit. So I'm not going to charge her anything, materials or labor, but we're going to get her taken care of right now. Alright, so this is what's busted up here. And we're going to get that taken care of for her. Oh, I see. So you want the blue one on that side of the driveway and the green?
What are you going to charge me?
I'm not charging you anything, sweetheart.
Huh?
I'm not charging you anything, darling.
Oh, are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
I'll see you before you go.
Huh?
I'll see you before you go. I'm not going anywhere.
No, I'm not going to take any money from you. I got
Well,
a
that
mom.
was a mess.
I got a mom, too.
At the crucial spot.
Yes, because you have to get through there with the trash.
Everything is, you know, well, maybe not these bushes are cut, but this is a bad, and then with the water constantly in there, and the winter with the snow or ice, they break it, you know, and...
Yep, that's right.
Well, I guess it could all be here, and they can hang out with somebody else. All right, I'm in here. If you need me, just yell.
All right, we'll get you fixed up here, darling.
All righty.
the elderly isn't where it's at, but it's where we're all headed. So you know what? When you see somebody that's older, take good care of them. Because someday, that's going to be you. Yep, she was bad. Oh, up in the Pine Barrens, yep.
Over 15 other. And
Yep.
the other one lives out there, out near Media.
Media, Pennsylvania?
Yes. Yeah, I don't think, an hour for both of them. I don't get to see them much.
I see.
Well, one is still working. She's a nurse, so she's always busy. And you get rid of all your trash too today.
Well, that's your trash.
Oh, you can't walk on it now.
No, you can't walk on it.
You put it. One of those.
I want you to do one thing for me. You have a good day.
Oh, I knew that wasn't the broadband we did for 6 I'll have a good day. But that was nice of you to come down.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
You have a wonderful day.
Yeah, let me shake your hand. God be with you.
And with you.
When you come here sometime, anything you want.
You don't owe me anything. You don't owe me a big job. You don't owe me nothing. I'm happy that you're happy. I'm happy that you're safe. 95. I thought you were 95. I thought 95 and 97.
Don't worry, I will be 96.
God bless you. And you're still very good.
Well, I tried. Can't get my hair done the damn
I understand. All the hairdressers are closed.
Oh yeah, they're opening up like they can get into this thing.
Yeah.
Horrible for us.
Ellen, you have a lovely day. There's a little bit of concrete mess from where I cleaned up on your grass, but that will disappear and turn into stone, and the grass
I
will
keep
grow.
it over the side and done. Everybody collects, and then when you take, you clear out the stones that's still there, and that's been bugging me for years.
Good.
And you just did the job. I'll tell you, God be with you. All right, now sometime you got to do a job for me, then you're going to get paid. There must be a million things I can't even see.
We'll see. Your house is in good shape.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Have a great day, darling.
Okay, and you too, sir. I'll say a prayer for you.
Thank you. You do that. She's walking into the house. She says, "Oh my God, I can't believe I got this work done for free. I made her day. Now you go out and pay it forward. Make someone's day. You're a contractor? Go out there and help a little old lady for free. You don't have to put a $30,000 deck on her house, but you can fix her soffit or something that's going to take you an hour or so, and you could do it for free of charge. Because sometimes it's just nice to do that. Now, if somebody calls and asks me to do it for free, obviously I'm not going to do that. But this woman is by herself. She's 95 years old. She has 2 daughters. She said she hardly ever gets to see them, and they live an hour away. And that's pretty sad. I feel terrible that her own family, her own offspring, an hour away, don't make enough time for her. So I made time for her today, and I expect anybody watching this video to go help your elderly neighbor, even if it's rolling up their hose for them or watering their lawn. Get out there and help them. That's what we Americans are about. We're not about tearing down buildings, ripping down statues, and burning stuff, looting buildings, beating people up. Love thy neighbor. Now go do it.